rubbish. Babe!
What's going on here?
Babe! Babe, can you imagine that I went to my brother's house and I saw that he bought a house for his girlfriend, even a Benz?
House and Benz for this economy?
That's not even the problem. Do you know the major problem? My brother is inside the kitchen cooking. She has turned him into her puppet. My brother is cooking, cleaning, and doing everything in the house.
That's too much now.
It doesn't make any sense. Why will you turn a full-fledged man into a boy? Yeah? Why will you ask a full-fledged man to be cooking for you while you are sitting in the living room, crossing your leg and watching television? Does it make sense? It doesn't make any sense now.
Food is already ready, yeah? Come and sit down, it's okay.
Please, I need you to be fast. I'm very hungry.
Okay, I'm coming now, okay?
Please, cook fast, don't be fast, please.
Jesus. Hold up. Wait a minute.
I should cook fast.
Hey!
Hey!
Women.